In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple Shopify footer editing guide. Editing the footer of your Shopify store is not only straightforward, but also essential for enhancing your store's functionality and aesthetic appeal. The footer is a crucial part of your website's real estate, as it can include important information such as contact details, social media links, and even quick navigation options. So let's dive right in and make those changes you've been thinking about. Firstly, you need to navigate to your theme editor. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're there, take a look at the menu on your left. You'll find what you're looking for under Online Store. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, more options will appear, and you'll want to select Themes. This is where all the magic happens. At this point, you'll see your current theme displayed. Find the Customize button beside it and give that a click. Now we're in the exciting part, the theme editor. Once you're inside the theme editor, direct your attention again to the left-hand side of the screen. Take a moment to scroll down, it's not too far, and you'll want to keep an eye out for the footer section. When you spot it, simply click on it to open up a whole new set of options tailored specifically for your store's footer. Now, let's get our hands a little dirty by changing what's in your footer. In this section, you'll notice various elements like email sign-up and payment methods. Consider carefully what makes sense for your brand. You can click on each part if you'd like to make edits, or if it's something you believe isn't necessary, you can opt to remove it. Don't hesitate to streamline. An uncluttered footer can significantly boost your site's navigation and overall look. If you're yearning to add something new, such as more details or engaging features, look for the Add Block option. This is a great way to personalize your store with additional text, banners, or essential links that can aid your visitors. Now, with all your creative adjustments in place, there's just one more step: saving your work. At the top right of the theme editor, there's a Save button. Make sure to click it, as this will ensure that all the changes you've painstakingly crafted are securely stored and immediately reflected on your live site. This step is crucial, as forgetting to save means that your efforts might not be visible to your audience. And just like that, you've successfully customized your Shopify store's footer. With these edits, your store is not only more functional, but also offers a more guided experience for your visitors. Thanks for following along, and until next time, happy editing!